ආයුබෝවන් පෙරුවන් සරණයි. Hi there. I've been the Tyre trade for past 22 years. Father to son business. I do mainly Nankanng and other 15 brands, whatever available in Sri Lanka. For the past 22 years, I'm in the Tyre trade. I know what customer wants, so I believe in Nankanng. It's one of the best. Most of all, safety first. It is a super luxury tire for an affordable price. It has comfort, low noise and fuel saving. The most moderate price in the market. Personally assure you, Nankanng has the most comfortable drive you ever feel. It's a comfort series. Super luxury tire at an affordable price only at Prince Tyre Services. Of course, yes. I do recommend Nankanng for Sri Lankan roads. Not only Sri Lankan roads, all Asian roads. It's a fantastic drive. Trust me, it's fantastic.